doubt, no doubt. What we got here? Yes, indeed. Hold up. Damn. Oh, I knew something was throwing me off. Hey, yo, peace. What's going on? Welcome to the Red Jacket Killer Kitchen. Today, we chefing up. We got the tomatoes and onions. We gonna saute this. Gotta get the seasoning. Got the ranch seasoning. I got some garlic powder. Matter of fact, let's do that again. Ranch seasoning, garlic powder, etc. But before we do that, we got turkey burgers, you know what I mean? And we got turkey bacon. Woo, it's about to go down. So stay with me, don't go anywhere, because we chefing up in the kitchen right now. This is the Red Jacket Killer Kitchen. Not only I'm chopping up, samples in the MPC, I'm also chopping up these burgers right here. Chopping up the onions and the tomatoes. It's gonna be nice. So stick with me. We're gonna pop off. We're gonna pop off without Peter. You inside the kitchen cooking with the G.O.D. Hold up. So what we gonna do, I'm gonna turn on the Stizzo. Let's turn the stove on. Hear that? That's that little popping. That was said that that Havoc from Mobb Deep used the stove for the infamous joint. Who knows if that was true? He said it wasn't. But anyway, let's get back to it. We got some country rock right here. So we're just gonna do a little bit of that. Let me get a fizz off. Nice fork right here. Nice fork. So what we gonna do, you can also cook. You can cook with butter. You know what I mean? I really needed the Heart Healthy, the Healthy Choice joint. But you don't really so much have to use the oil. You know what I'm saying? You don't so much have to use that. You can use the butter. It's like butter, baby. It's like butter. So just push this around the Stizzo. Push this around the skillet here. Not around the stove, I mean around the skillet. Hold up, I'm glad y'all joined me. This is the first episode of the Red Jacket Killer Kitchen. Okay? So we gonna take our turkey burgers. We just gonna put them on a skillet right here. Just to let y'all see what I'm dealing with right now. So we gonna let that, you know what I mean, just marinate around in this skillet. The turkey bacon right there. The plate over here. Rinse. Keep it rinsed, you know what I mean? So we'll do that. You know? So we already got the onions and the tomatoes chopped up. I'll keep y'all posted once things get popping. I'm gonna hop back on the MPC, chop up some more samples. I'm on the MP1, and I'm gonna come back here in the kitchen and continue to chop up the turkey burgers. This is brunch for me. I'm having brunch. Signing off from the Red Jacket Killer Kitchen, professionally known as the MPC Killer. Peace.